Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the rubber insert on the rear windshield wiper in Toyota RAV4. First we have to remove the wiper blade itself, remove this plastic cover, lift up the wiper, and now you have to twist it like this and the wiper will come off. Our next step will be to twist the blade, the insert like this, and as you can see this allows you to pull it off first from one end and now from the other one. And this is our blade. Inside you will see these two metallic plates which will go to the new insert. So we can discard the old one and we'll use the new insert. Now these plates get installed in this groove, this bottom groove right here. It's the furthest one from the edge itself. This is the edge, and this is the groove that we will be using to install the plates. These metallic plates allow the insert to retain its shape and properly clean the glass. Make sure it goes in all the way. And now we can reinstall it into the wiper assembly. Now we'll be using the other groove, the one in the middle, to secure the blade, the insert. Now I have to twist it like this and put it on the other side. And that's it. Installation is complete. Now we can reinstall our wiper blade. It gets in the reverse order of removal. First put it in like that and then twist the blade. And in the end, just close this cover and installation is complete.